In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Weebly. To get started, sign into your Weebly account and open the site you want to update. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the option to edit the site and click it. This will open the Weebly editor, which is where you can make visual changes to your page design. After the editor loads, go to the part of the page where you want to change the background color. This could be a section of the page or the header area, depending on what you want to customize. Click directly on that area so Weebly knows which section you want to edit. This is important because background settings are usually tied to the specific section you select. When that section is active, click on Edit Background. This opens the background settings for that part of the page. In Weebly, some sections can use images while others can use a solid color. So this is the place where you control that visual style. Next, choose the color option. Then click the Change Color button to open the color picker. This is where you'll choose the exact background color you want to use. If you're going for a simple branded look, this tool makes it easy to match the color style of your website. Inside the color picker, you can drag the circle along the spectrum bar to choose the general color family, like blue, green, red, or any other tone. After that, use the saturation gradient to fine-tune the exact shade. This gives you more control over how light, dark, bright, or muted the color appears. If you already know the exact color you want, you can also type in a hex code directly. That's especially useful if you're matching brand colors or trying to keep your site design consistent across different sections. Once you're happy with the color, click outside the menu or choose Done to apply the change. This will save the background update for that section. At that point, you should see the new color appear right away in the editor. As a quick tip, take a moment to check how your text looks against the new background color. A nice color choice should still keep the content easy to read. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in Weebly.